Better life, more waste. Too many bulky wastes. The amount of bulky waste generated in 2021 was 10.8 million tons in China alone, an increase of nearly 40 from 5 years ago. How to collect the waste. How to disassemble the waste. Hardin developed a new way of processing bulky waste. A fully automated machine line. The bulky waste processing line include shredders and separation. What you get is recyclable material and alternative fuel. Waste to install a line like this. Be the first in your region. Recycling is a profitable business.